Hi there, this is Cesar, and in this video we're going to talk about call statuses with REISift and smrtDialer. When it comes to call statuses, REISift operates a bit differently. You will see the following call statuses in your smrtDialer account. These are default statuses and cannot be changed in smrtDialer. Selecting the call status options in smrtDialer sends the information back to REISift, updating the property and/or phone status for each record. Each call status corresponds to a property status or a phone number status. And in REISift, it will look like this. Under the records page, if you click on a property, you will have this status right here. And then each of the phone numbers also has a status right here. For more information about how each call status in smrtDialer correlates with phone number and/or property status, please refer to the smrtDialer inbound integration article, which is available on the REISift Help Center.